Chapter 6 Fun with Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop, or simply Photoshop, is a graphics editor developed and published by Adobe System that allows you to create, modify, combine, and optimize digital images. It contains a large variety of image editing features. One of its most powerful capabilities, filter. Photoshop creates sophisticated images for both print and the web. Starting Photoshop. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Adobe Design Premium CS6. Step 4. Click on Adobe Photoshop CS6. Adobe Photoshop CS6 window appears. Palettes appear in the form of a group on the right edge of the screen. The first group contains the navigator, info, and option palettes. Next is the color swatches and brushes palettes. Below that are the history and action palettes. Finally, there are the layers, channels, and path palettes. Some common tools of Photoshop are Selection tool. There are two types of selection tool. Marquee tool. This tool allows us to select rectangular or elliptical area in an image. Lasso tool. This tool lets us draw a freehand selection area with either curves or straight lines. There are two types of lasso tool, polygon lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Crop tool. This tool helps to reduce the image to a certain area. Magic wand tool. This tool helps to automatically select large area of an image that are similar in color. Gradient tool. This tool helps to create gradient fills for an image of any colors. Paint bucket tool. This tool helps to fill the selected area with the foreground color or pattern. Brush tool. This tool is a basic painting tool. It works like a traditional drawing tool by applying the color using strokes. Pencil tool. This is a secondary tool of the brush tool. It is just a rip-off brush tool. That is, it consists of one pixel brush tool tip, and almost all options of brush tool are available in the pencil tool. Rectangle tool. This tool is a shape tool. With the help of rectangle tool, we can draw rectangular shape of any size. We can also draw square, rounded rectangle, ellipse, and many more shapes from the menu that appear on right-clicking the tool. Creating a new canvas image. To create a new canvas image, we should follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File menu and select New or press Ctrl+N. Step 2. Enter the size of the drawing area. When you use the standard pen tool, the following options are available in the option bar. Auto Add or Delete, which lets you add anchor point when you click a line segment or delete an anchor point when you click it. Rubber band, which let you preview part segment as you move the painter between clicks. Freedom pen tool lets you draw as if you were drawing with pencil. For paper, anchor point are added automatically as you draw. Add anchor point tool. The Add Anchor Point tool aids anchor and reshape existing vector shape, path, shape outlines. Delete anchor point tool. The delete anchor point tool removes anchor points from vector line. Convert point tool. The convert point tool edits existing vector shape, mask and path shape outlines by converting smooth anchor points to corner anchor points and vice versa. There are 4 different types of tools: horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, vertical type mask tool. Saving a Photoshop image. You can save your image in Photoshop native image format. This format enables you to retain multiple layers in your image. Printing image. You can print your Photoshop image in color or black and white on PC using an inkjet, ledger or other type of printer.